Yes, viewers and subs, welcome back to yet another vlog. Today we're out again. It's all about spring break, but guess what? I do my spring break different. Instead of go up on the beach, me there, back in the forest again. Me love the forest, love it. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do a jerk 2 pieces of chicken, and also I'm gonna see if we can catch fish. All right, so stay tuned and watch what go on. All right. So yes, viewers and subs, this is where we are today. This is where we are today. So as you know, as I say, the spring break different. That's why I come over, nice over in the forest. As I say, jump on my bike. I'll just show you basically where I'm going right here. So that I'm a fishing rod, and you can see me already light my fire for put on my chicken. So stay tuned, watch where I go on, peeps. Alright, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, beautiful day today, so let's see what we can do today. Alright, yeah man, stay tuned. So yes, viewers and subs, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna throw up my line and see if I have no luck we catch nothing. Alright, so show no what I gotta go on. So it's look like a nice little spot, so I'm right in here, so I can't throw my line, or better yet, I'm gonna come up to that side here, kinda better. Alright, so alright peeps, stay tuned, watch what I go on. Time for me to throw out the net. Alright, line actually. Alright, so watch what I go on. Alright, so peeps, that's it. Throw up my line. I just have to leave it right here. So yes, peeps, we just have to leave my line right here, and then check back on it in a couple of minutes. Alright, remember we use the artificial bait, so it's not like we have to rebait the hook. The artificial bait with the artificial shrimp. So the most can happen is you grab the line and just dead it. Alright, now make sure to tie the line for the piece of stick right here. So if me catch nothing, then can't get it. Alright, so that's it. Okay. Alright peeps, that's it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come check back on the line in a few minutes and see what I go on with it out there. Alright, remember peeps, like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright, so yes peeps, this is where I actually just throw my line, and you can see maybe I can get a fish to throw up on my grill today, who knows. So anyway peeps, I could just bring you back to where we actually do the grilling. Yep. Very nice day, peeps. Very nice sun. Out, not too hot. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. And you know, sometimes the greatest thing is when you can just get away, you know, just get away from civilization. Yes, civilization. Just come to the woods and just free your mind. You understand? So that's one of the greatest things. So yeah. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe, alright? So yes, peeps, as you can see, the fire already lit. Kinda just, you know, space out the coal and get the grill on. Alright? Yep. So we can actually get some chicken going. Oh, I have Frank's as well. They may have some sausage as well on me. They bring to actually chop on the grill as well. So yep, that a go on. So yes, peeps, this is it. So now I'm gonna actually put my grill. The grill gonna eat up. I have to put it on the right way so it don't actually fall inside of the fire. Alright, so that's it. We still got one more down there. Perfect. Very good, so peeps. So that's my grill for today. Alright. Nice, very nice. Very nice. So yes, peeps, you know what I have the right remedy right here, which is the chicken. Which is the chicken, so I will show you what I got for the chicken. Alright? Show you what I got for the chicken. So I did already pre-season some chicken. Already pre-season some chicken. Which is right here. Yep. Pre-season. Right? So this is what we're gonna do today. That's my pre-seasoned chicken. And these are my sausages. Okay, so as you guys can see, grill ready. So actually I gotta know I gotta actually get me chicken on the grill. Alright, so watch what I'm going. So that's what's up for today, guys. This is what's going on for today. So this is what we're gonna do today. So yes, peace. I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm gonna go drop on my Franks. Alright. Drop on my Franks. You can hear some thunder roll. So yep. That's what I'm talking about, peeps. This is what's happening today. Yep, my spring break. Remember, peeps, like, comment, share, subscribe, alright? Really appreciate you guys for watching the videos. I really appreciate the comments as well, alright? So, yep. Time for us to see some nice jerk chicken in the forest. Alright, so yes, viewers and subs, welcome back. So, you know, we're going over open fire, so you have to kind of pay lots of attention when grilling on an open fire and when you have a closed grill. Open fire, your chicken grill quicker, you know. So you know the franks, you see the franks them already done. Juicy. So the chicken, you know, get some nice sweet color. So you know we have to take our time and do the chicken. So, yep. Looking good. Looking very good, peeps. Yep, those are my franks. So we just have to take our time, you know, as you see, and do the chicken, alright? Yep, looking real good. So yes, we was on sub, so yeah, this is a nice spot. Look at me seeing a snake, you know, we have python down here. Remember we're in Florida. We have python, we have the Florida bobcat down here as well. So you don't know. I have alligator as well, but guess what? I didn't encounter none of them today. So this is what's happening today. Nice forest. You have to look good. And then if we go encounter any snake or any of that sort, you know. So yep, it's nice. Nice, beautiful day. Remember peeps, like, comment, share, subscribe, alright? So yes, viewers and subs, remember there's nothing like nature. You know, God made it for us to enjoy. So I think it's just awesome, you know, for just take some time, go be in tune with nature, you know, look at the trees, you know, check out the river, check out the sea, you know, listen to the birds, you know. It's very nice. You know, Best Lifestyle TV, you know, we love the nature, we love going, you know, the forest, we love the wild, you know. It's just very amazing, you know. We can come, go into the forest, light a fire, grill some, whatever you want to grill, you know. Pork, you know, you hunt all a wild hog, kill a wild hog, and, you know, roast some wild hog meat, them something there. Nice, very nice, you know. So yep, this is what we do, this is what we enjoy, and always I gotta bring them nice content here. You know what I say? Nature. So the trees, beautiful. It's just quiet, you know. It's really quiet. Trust me, it's just amazing. And you know, we have to give respect to Father God, because you know him create all of this. And him make all of this possible, alright? So big up to everybody. Like, comment, subscribe on my video. You get to me, I say big up on yourself, big up all of who are passed through, big up everybody. You get to me, I say much love, okay? So remember people, just stay tuned and and take in the prey, alright? So yes viewers, welcome back again. I'm showing you what I go on. Yep. You know, bush style jerk. Yep. Jerking on open fire. That I go on peeps. That I go on, that I go on, that I go on. Yep. So yes peeps, you know, kinda come to crunch time now. I tell you say chicken look real good. Frank's but nah to worship at feel like I get like a jewelry in, but no problem. And just lift up the grill, drop under the shelter, you see me? But tastes good. Can't wait peeps. Look what I go on. That I go on peeps, so stay tuned. Soon land the boat and show you what I go on. Keep it like, remember peeps, hit the like button, you understand what I say? If you don't subscribe already, subscribe now, alright? Watch what I go on. Yes peeps, we could go up on a small hunt. Small tour of the forest, as I can hear some water drop right now. And it is just so amazing. Like right here, where I'm at right now. Sweet. Very sweet peeps, very sweet and nice. Nice trees. Trust me, it's just amazing. It is just amazing. Amazing. That's what's going on peeps. You know, we're not really too long ago. Deep inside, remember you got all kind of snake and all of them things there, so we just try to keep the thing on the levels. Alright, so yes peeps, the boat landing now. This is going on now. So yeah man, bush jerk, you get them I say? So you know we pull them aside so you know what time to get some chicken chop up, plate up and eat up, you get them I say? So remember peeps, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know? Yeah. I remember just leave a comment, alright? Ready. So yes my peeps, welcome back. So you know, time for we eat some chicken, and you know you can't eat the chicken without the bread. And you know we have some ketchup, you know we have some orange juice, and here we have some water, right? We have some ice, but guess what we don't have? We don't have no cup. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to make a cup now. You see in the day now, now when you don't have no cup, you have all a plastic bottle. You just go so boom, simply. You just bust off the top. Yeah man, you just cut off the top. Nicely. Remove all of this. Yeah man, you make yourself a nice cup. You see me I say? Yeah. So You get some ice. Load your cup. Right? Pour some orange juice. That we are talking about. Right? And then now, this is your cup, so you just go and relax, listen to the birds sing, you know. Listen to the breeze through the trees. Just take a sip, you know. God, yeah. So, you know, we're gonna get some chicken going now and some bread and all of that, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Remember, we're in the bush today, peeps, in the forest, and I'm loving it. Can you hear two fish just flip up out of the water? Them things they may talk about people, you know, if you're rich, have millions to enjoy life. You get what I say? You can enjoy life with nature and what you have at your convenience. You see what I say? And as I say, sometimes it's just good to get away from the pollution, the noise, the town life. You see what I say? And just do some little thing like this if I even one time a month. It helps, you see me? So, big up on yourself. Best Lifestyle TV. Remember, peeps, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright? I'll get in some chicken and some bread. So just watch what I go on. Alright? Alright, so viewers and subs, this is going on here now. I mean, time, you see me? So, this is going on. Chop up the chicken and you see me, what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Chop up my chicken, you know? Yeah. That's going on. Whoa, you see that? Yeah. So, now we're gonna put this now. That way. Sauce over there, so. Yep. We can look inside. No raw meat, so you know, say. Well jerked. You see me? Good. Tastes good, my peeps. Yeah, man. Peeps, trust me. So yes, viewers and sub, now that the food ready, I'm gonna show you something now. How for the toast bread on open fire. Alright? Yeah, now you hear it well, you know. Toast bread. Look what I go on. So yes, this is original white bread. You see me I say? And look here now. Talk truth. This is how you toast bread. Open fire. Now toast and I give them toast bread there, you know. Talk truth. You have to have the skills, you see me? Yeah, man. And so you do toast bread for open fire, alright? So yes, please remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe, alright? So yes, viewers and subs, welcome back. So now, time to eat. I'll show you what I go on. That's what it look like. Yep. Remember, we're in the bush. You get me, I say? Now, I just like I'm giving a sneak preview of the toast bread. This is how it look like. You see me I say? But toast bread and open for your bad. So no time, peeps. Remember our cup? Yeah, man, getting us some orange juice now, you know? Right now, I'm fat, but can't manage the farting right now, peeps. Ready? Peeps, now like this, really good. Not exaggerate, trust me. Look on me. Well jerked. Well grilled, peeps. No joke. Oh, you know when chicken really jerk? So the bone, leg bone, when you bust that, you're not supposed to have no blood. That we are talking about. Trust me, peeps, amazing. Really good, not like. If you listen to the place just silent, yo, it's just amazing when you're in tune with nature. Yep, sometimes you just want to get away from the noise and the polluted environment. You get what I'm saying? Just head to the hills, you know? Remember my Franks? Yeah, you know, right now, honestly, I'm in the business, I just have mash up this, you know, cause bad. It's gonna be bad, peeps. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So yes, sir, make it to the end of yet another one, peeps. Big up on yourself, alright? Big up to everybody who watched the video. Big up on yourself. Remember, share the video as well. Big up on yourself every time, alright? So peeps, backpack, ready for go. So you know, not long before we hit another adventure, alright? So remember, peeps, remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sooner again on another one, alright? Big up on yourself every time, alright? One love. Peace out.